Hello, in this video I will show you how you can uninstall all bloatware on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to apps and app management. And here is the list all of your apps from your phone. And also you can find here bloatware. Bloatware is the apps that are installed by default on the phones. So we have here like Amazon Music, Amazon Shopping, like games, booking. All of these apps are bloatware. So if you want to get rid of this bloatware, you have to tap on it and click uninstall. And you just simply have to, you can uninstall it by clicking OK. And you have to do this with every app from here. Like the games, for example. All of these stuff are bloatware, installing by default on the phones. So open it, uninstall, and click OK. So we can do it from app management. Thanks for watching, subscribe this channel and check my other OPPO A5 videos.